how to turn on or turn off Grammarly Writing Assistant for accessibility service on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, go down and tap on tap on install apps, and then tap on Grammarly Writing Assistant. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Now when you tap on it, it says that you can uninstall, denied, or allow. So tap on allow button to turn it on. Otherwise, you can switch it off. Then tap on turn off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.